na ako. Tapos na ang trip ng katulong, mga bears, mga birds, mga perks. Okay? So, pauwi na ako. So, I have my dinner. And that's the whole hallway. Of course, syempre, kailangan makapagpahinga. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Kasi ang dami kong labahin ngayon. Medyo nakakapagod yung work natin ngayon. Kasi there's so much people and they eat a lot. They are like vultures. Pero okay lang. So ngayon, pauwi na tayo. Tada! Welcome home, June. Alright. Then, that's it. Okay. So, tingnan nyo naman. Ang dami kong labahin. Oh my God, grabe. Nakakapagod. So anyway, I'll give you a quick tour on my room. So kung makikita nyo, I got a flat screen TV in here. I got my intercom connection. So pasensya na, maraming kalat. So I got my small desk. See? I got my small fridge. Kung meron akong kukunin sa crib room, then I have that. And this is the door outside. So if I am going to work at night shift, so at the morning, so I use to put this do not disturb, and of course the night shift, so that the housekeeping will know that's if you are working at night shift, so they want this, they are not going to disturb you. Alright, so I got my small cabinet in here. Yeah, so kung papansin nyo, konti lang yung gamit ko. So that's all my stuff. Kasi what? Nandun pa sa laundry. So mamaya maglo-laundry tayo. And I have always also, grabe yan. I got my small bed, single bed. I got some drawers in there. I got my air conditioning unit, or the AC. So how does it look like? So this is the accommodation. About this room is of course the toilet. Yeah. Give you a quick look on the toilet. Yeah, so that's the small basin. Of course I got the shower in there. I got my toilet. So pretty much decent. So ito yung room ko. Accommodation for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So yan. So mamaya pakita ko naman sa inyo yung laundry area. Medyo pagod pa ako eh. So we go for a transition. Ayan mga ka-berks, nakabihis na tayo. And maglalaba tayo ngayon. Punta tayo sa laundry. Medyo malamig sa labas, so kailangan magbihis muna tayo. Ayan mga berks, nandito ngayon tayo sa laundry area. So medyo sira yata yung ilaw ng dilim. Okay, so pipili ngayon tayo ng machine. So tayo maglalaba. Gusto ko dun sa pinakamadali, usually dito. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. So this is the machine that I'm going to use. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so ayan, maglalaba tayo. Kasabay yung mga laba. Mamaya, babalik tayo ng about 30 to 45 minutes. Tapos na yan. Then dito naman tayo magda-dryer sa kabila. So kung mapapansin nyo, those are the dryer. Oh, I know why. Yeah, they changed it to yellow light because if they are gonna use a white light, all the moths and the fly will come in. So maganda yan, yellow lights, para walang mga langaw, lamok, etc. Mabalik pa rin natin itong, of course, Ecolab laundry detergent natin. Ang bigat, grabe. Whoop! So ano nga kayo dito? Beware of snakes. So balik tayo ngayon, balik na tayo sa room natin. Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa kwarto ulit. Isin na natin, hindi natin ang damit. And ganun lang. So after 5 days of working 12 hours shift, nakakapagod. So laba-laba ng konti, then afterwards I'm gonna get my dinner. So ano nga ba yung dinner natin? Dinner natin ngayon, meron tayo, of course, Mama Annie made me some banana bread. So I got slices of banana bread in here, so I'm gonna eat it. I got my water. What else I got? Of course, I got the bread for tonight. Diet lang ang peg. So bread, diet lang. Then I got my special knife. So kung mapapansin nyo, okay, so sa mine site, bawal na ang mga plastic bags, and they are issuing eco bags, which is like this. Ayan. So yan yung ginagamit namin ngayon. Medyo malamig sa labas. So ano nga ba yung dinner ko tonight? Ito ang dinner ko ngayon tonight. Chicken. Yan, chicken with ranch sauce. Yan. So, mamaya, kain muna ako. Ciao. Okay, ayan guys. So, balik tayo ngayon dito sa laundry area. So, tapos na yung nilaban natin. Ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is mag-dryer. Siya, madamit natin. Hihintay tayo ng about 50 to 60 minutes, so approximately 1 hour. Ulit tayo mga ka-Berks. After 1 hour, yan, 1 hour, kukunin na ulit natin yung dinarayat natin. So meron na lang mga few seconds, tapos na yan. Yun, tumigil na. So kukunin na natin yung damit. Po mga Berks, ang ating laundry. Ito po, kung makikita nyo, ito lang yung gamit ko sa mine site. Ayan, those are all the things that I have, which is too minimal kasi I don't want to bring a lot of things, especially if you are 2 weeks away and 1 week off. And this is it. So I got 5 sets of uniform from Monday to Friday, so every 5 days. So I have to do my laundry, which is today is the 5th day. So I got my box. course of things, unfortunately it's my dog. So that's it. A very simple, very simple. Uh, the bed, of course. So natapos na tayo maglaba. And ito yun. I hope meron kayong nakuhang information all about sa akin. So natapos yung 5 days straight, and I have done my laundries, and I have about 10 days to go. 10 days to go, then I fly out, or I flew out. And ciao!